Well, good morning, world. Good morning, Utah. Good morning, car friends of all. Would you look at this rig? God dang, that is cool. Alex's Durango, which we've got a lot of cool custom mods going on with it, and the Hefty Coronet herself. Now, she's on a trailer for the first time, not because she can't drive right now, but we want to take this thing down the track at Matt's and maybe go head to head with each other. And you know what? We kind of love each other and we don't want to drive side by side, and gas is expensive as hell right now, so we're doing it. We're putting the Durango's 7,200 pound towing capacity to test. We're gonna have the coolest freaking rig heading down the road to Vegas. So tune in with us on this cool little road trip we're about to take to head to Matt's here on the 17th of March, 2022. Hell yeah. We even got Alex's cool plate installed the other night, my custom blacked out Evil Wifey plate. Yeah! She's looking a little dirty because we got some rain the other day, so I'm gonna give it a quick rinse off because, you know, Mrs. Finelli is not, she's not gonna go to Vegas with a dirty car. Hell no, we're gonna clean that real quick. Give her a quick little spray down, and we'll wipe her off with some microfibers. Oh, that's a little better. Hell yeah. Now we'll look really nice going down the road. I mean, real nice. Heck yeah. Okay, boys and girls, at 12:59, we left the house. We're only a few hours behind schedule, and we are excited heading down to Matt's. We've got the Hefty Coronet in tow, looking fabulous behind. Doing this thing.
Alright, no fishtailing.
No fishtailing. Alex is a little bit anxious because the back of the Durango's squatting a little bit. But we took it on a test drive the other night and it felt fine when we shook her down. So this is us hitting the road. Las Vegas, here we come. Ladies and gentlemen, my wonderful wife is behind the wheel of the camera right now as she's probably zooming in real close on my face or something. You didn't show the sunset long enough, but anyway, it's about 6:42 Vegas time right now.
No.
Yeah, it is. We're gonna go right to the speedway, like she said, and unload Hefty, so this way we can leave the trailer there at the track, maybe even leave Hefty parked there overnight too, go get some rest, catch some Z's, show up early in the morning, car show, racing, fun. That's it. That's all I gotta say. Show the sunset. Out here at Matt's. It's a beautiful day. You got fighter jets flying around and all the cars. Alex is detailed out her Durango, which looks gorgeous over here. And then you've got Hefty Coronet over that way, hanging out with all the muscle cars. Beautiful day to be out here. So here's some of the cars out here in the field. Love this 69 Super V. You guys all know this dirty dog. you got Nellis Air Force Base here, so you got a lot of cool jets going around and big planes from the Air Force. Hell yeah. There she is. Hey, beautiful. Being a crazy man. Can we just admire how adorable this woman is? Damn, babe. You gotta put sunscreen on because you're so damn hot. Woo! Here we are on day 2. Saturday out here at Matt's. It's a little breezy. The sun finally just came out. It's been a really nice day so far, all things considered. We're gonna take Hefty out on the track. That's right. I want to see what this thing does. I've owned this car long enough, and I finally got things cleaned up in the back end to where it's not shaking itself to death, and new tires up front. This kind of tired old 383 that's in the car, and the 727 that's in here, I think could get us a 14-second pass, maybe even into the 13s. We'll see what it does. I honestly just want to see what the car does, to be able to have a number to throw on the wall, and then say, when we rebuild this car, Hefty used to be a dud, right? A 14-second car. And now we can pick it up and then say to ourselves, damn, this thing's doing freaking 9s. I don't think it'll go that fast ever. Either way, we passed tech, and we're gonna get Hefty out on the track the next time that they call us up for time only. So the old 383, the new front tires. Alex and I got it underneath here, and quick decision, pulled off the exhaust. So we have open exhaust on the car right now, and it sounds really nice. It sounds like a race car. So yeah, that's what's gonna go down. We're gonna take her out on the track, see what she does. What do we got over here? Is that Mrs. Finelli? Oh my goodness. Woo! Mikey, babe. Babe, why are you so adorable?
I'm not.
What are we up to right now? What happened?
We are racing and getting windburned.
Jesus Christ. Yeah, the wind has been impossible today. We are way windburned, but old Hefty Coronet made her first pass. She would have ran in the 14s, but I ran in the 15s. I slept the light. An abysmal 0.700 on the light. 15:23, I think, at 92 or 3 miles per hour. It was fun though. I had a lot of fun getting to make the first run in Hefty Coronet. If I get out there again, which I hope I do, I think I can be in the 14s. Because again, I slept in the light. But anyway, the Hefty Coronet, it ran. It ran. So here is my timesheet. So I got that horrible light, the 15:39 and 92:29. So I think between my horrible light and also the fact that forgot to retard the timing since we came down in elevation. We're at like 4,500 feet up in Salt Lake in our area, and we're down to like 2,000 here. So I retarded the timing after the run, of course. Didn't really help me, but it broke up a little bit on the run. So between that misfiring it did and the crappy light, I'm still damn proud of it though. It was cool. Now we know Hefty runs what she runs, and when we rebuild it, we can say, yeah, I took this thing from a 14, 15 second car to a 2-second car. The sun. This is Finelli behind the wheel. I tell you, she's good. She's good. Just telling everybody that you're really good at maneuvering a trailer.
No, I'm not.
Whatever. Bet you should get it. One shot. What'd I tell you guys? She's a pro.
Bada boom, baby.
Nice, baby, like butter. Like I say all the time, who's got it better than me? She's a pro. I just hang out and look. Well, we made it home. We wound up having to drive through snow. It sucked. The car got all filthy. We went and washed it off, and yeah, I hate getting salt, brine, and all that crap in my car. But it was a great weekend, and we had a lot of fun out there, and we can't wait to be out at Matt's again next year, and hopefully we'll have Alex's Duster this time. So thank you guys for tuning in and watching, and we'll see you on the next video.